Hey guys, today I have a review on some shampoo and conditioner for you guys. This is probably going to be a quick video, but I really wanted to get the word out because this brand is absolutely amazing. I will try to link their Instagram down below. They have a huge variety of different hair care, especially with shampoo and conditioner for depending on what your needs are. So I would definitely check them down below. I will also try to put their link down below. And the brand that I'm talking about is Lucetta. So they actually sent me these for review purpose. I was already like eyeing them because I've seen a few people talking to them, and then they sent me an email like, hey, do you want to check out our like shampoo and conditioner? I was like, heck yeah, I was already thinking of getting them. So this is something that I will definitely repurchase, and I am dying for them to restock some of the biotin and collagen stuff like for hair care, because I just have been falling in love with the shampoo and conditioner so much. I've been using it for about a week, and oh my god, the difference in my hair is night and day. I can't even tell you how awesome this freaking product is. So first off, you get 16.9 fluid ounces. So basically like you get 2 of a normal size bottle. Most normal shampoos are like 8 ounces, so this is like 2 bottles in each. And they have like bundles that I'm almost sure, I think that they were like $32 for the bundle. I know that there's some coupon codes out there. I will definitely ask them if there is a coupon code for me, and I will try to link it down below. It's probably not one that I'll get any compensation, but just for your benefit. But this stuff smells amazing. It leaves my hair super soft. My hair feels just like fuller and like, I don't know, just like stronger and nicer. The first time I used it right away, like it was just amazing. I absolutely just loved it. I love the fact that it comes with the pump. When they send it to you, it's closed, and then you just twist it until it like pops up. So I love that it just has the pump included, which makes it so much easier. I hate having to like tilt over a bottle. It is free of sulfates, free of parabens and gluten. And this one is specific for thin and dry hair, but like I said, they have a crap ton of different, you know, combinations and different things depending if you're color treated or curly hair. So this is for me because of the fact that I do have thin hair and I just want more volume, more strength to it. And obviously I don't feel like you can really tell on camera, but the softness and just like the quality of how my hair felt afterwards was amazing. I love it. So this one has biotin and collagen in it, and this one is supposed to strengthen and thicken. Like I said, I've only been using it for a week, but the difference in how good my hair felt was amazing. This is also color safe if you are someone who color treats your hair. And what this one has is a blend of vitamin B7, biotin, hydrolyzed collagen, and argan oil. So it's supposed to help restore the necessary nutrients in every strand and make it stronger. And I have to say, I definitely felt the difference when I used this from the get-go. I am waiting for them to restock their biotin lineup because I know they have like a leave-in conditioner and like some oil, and I already know that I'm gonna buy both of them because I need them in my life. And I will definitely be repurchasing their shampoo and conditioner because it is that good. And I love the fact that it's like the 16-ounce bottle and that it comes with the pump already built in there. Amazing brand. Definitely go check them out. And you know, they sent me them for review purpose, but you guys know here on this channel I tell you the truth. Like if something does not work for me, I will let you guys know. So this definitely worked wonders for me. I think that they also sell like mini bottles on their website, so if you wanted to just like test out their mini bottles and see if you see a difference from the get-go, you could definitely do that as well. So yeah, so I'm super thankful to them for sending this my way, even though like I said, I had already been eyeing them for a while. I had already been following them on social media and was like, I'm really curious about these. So yeah, and it smells divine as well, which is super important for hair care. Like for most things, I like when they smell nice. So it was really nice that it also has a great smell to it. So that is all for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys try it out. I love your feedback, and follow me on social media, on my Instagram, especially if you want to get in contact with me, or if you have any questions or anything like that. You can follow me down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.